In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your email signature using Outlook webmail. So if you're watching this video, if you go down to the details below, there's a list of instructions, but for now what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and click on the link for the office that you work at. I work in Omaha, so I'll click on that. It'll open up a new tab in my web browser, and here I will click and drag to copy this text. Hit CTRL C on your keyboard for Windows, Command C for Mac to copy that. And now if we go back to the instructions, I also have a link here for your Outlook webmail. We'll log in. Alright, then on the top right hand corner of your screen, if you'll click on the gears icon, go down to Options. On the left hand side of your screen, click on Settings, and up top here you're going to have your email signature. If you have an old signature in here already, you can delete it. And let's hit Control V for Windows, Command V for Mac to paste the email signature template. And next, all we need to do is update our name, title, and direct phone number. Okay, once that's done, make sure that automatically include my signature on messages I send is checked. Click Save down at the bottom, and then click the back arrow in the top left hand corner of your screen. And let's write a new email to make sure that it looks right. For the final step, I'll have you send an email to marketing just so they can take a look at it, make sure everything looks fine, and if not, they'll let you know. So let's send an email to marketing@gothrasher.com. In the subject line, let's use email signature test. Then all you do is press send, and in this case, no news is good news. If you have any questions about any part of this process, just reach out to marketing@gothrasher.com. One thing to remember, if you send email for more than one program, for example Outlook webmail or Outlook for Windows or Microsoft Mail, you will have to update your email signature in both places.